try this celery tea recipe for weight loss. Everyone knows that vegetables are one of the best dietary supplements for losing weight. They're a great source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential substances that help the body function well so it can burn fats and eliminate unnecessary wastes. Celery is a perfect example of the types of vegetables that aid in weight loss. They're low-calorie, they don't contain any fat, and they are rich in nutritional value that stimulates several bodily functions for easier weight loss. A lot of people are still unaware of celery's properties and weight loss benefits, so today we are going to share the most relevant details about its composition. We'll also talk about why it's so healthy, and how to prepare its celery tea. The nutritional properties of celery tea. One of celery's main characteristics is that it is made up of between 90 and 95% water. This makes it one of the lowest calorie vegetables around. It contains just 16 calories in every 100 grams. This also makes it one of the easiest vegetables around to digest, and one of the best options for hydrating the body and nourishing cells. It has anti-inflammatory properties which can act against abdominal inflammation and other types of inflammation that affect joint and muscle health. It is also rich in essential nutrients, such as vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, B9 and C. Minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Essential amino acids. Because of its nutritional value and high water content, eating it could be one of the best decisions for any type of diet. It's not strange at all that celery is currently one of the most in-demand vegetables around, both for weight loss and medicinal uses. Making a tea with celery allows to use optimally benefit from its nutrients. Primary weight loss benefits of celery tea. There are several reasons why this vegetable is good for people that want a healthy way to lose weight. First of all, we need to talk about its diuretic and cleansing properties. These are due to its essential oils, like limonene, solanine, and asparagine. These are located primarily in the stalk and seeds, although they are also present to a lesser extent in the leaves. Because of its water and fiber content, celery is classified as a powerfully capable of satiating. This can put an end to the anxiety of consuming more calories than necessary. It has antibacterial and antiviral effects that fight different types of gastrointestinal infections for improving digestive health. It is recommended for stimulating all sorts of toxin accumulations in primary bodily organs, promoting proper functioning because it has a powerful cleansing effect. Once bodily fluids are stabilized, The kidneys will function better and inflammation caused by fluid retention will be reduced. It's great for people who suffer from high cholesterol or triglycerides. Its properties help stabilize levels, reducing cardiovascular risks. It supports digestive processes to improve nutrient absorption and prevent problems like gas, inflammation, and other symptoms affecting this system. Regular celery tea consumption helps regulate the body's metabolic processes, which are largely dependent on the body's ability to remove excess fats. In addition to everything already mentioned, we should also point out that eating celery provides important nutrients for skin, hair, and vision. How to prepare a weight loss celery tea. This tea makes a refreshing beverage that can be drank hot or cold, as a supplement to weight loss diets. The traditional recipe uses only water and celery, but we add a bit of lemon juice to intensify the detoxifying effects. Ingredients: 3 stalks of celery, 1 liter of water, 1 lemon, 1/2 teaspoon powdered ginger, optional, 2.5 grams. Directions. Wash the celery stalks to make sure they're clean, and that all germs have been removed. Boil 1 liter of water. Once boiling, add the diced celery. Reduce heat and simmer for 5 to 10 additional minutes. If you want to add ginger, do so 1 or 2 minutes before removing from heat. Once ready, remove from heat and allow to set for 10 minutes. Then add the lemon juice. Consumption. Drink 1 cup before breakfast. Drink the remaining liquid throughout the day, either before each main meal, or between meals. Add this tea to your regular diet, but it's best when drank for 15 consecutive days, rest for 15 days, and then once again follow the same cycle. Keep in mind that this is not a miracle drink, or anything like that. Its weight loss powers depend heavily on your lifestyle that you've chosen for this purpose.